Stephen from Sugarland has a question about water pressure.
His house is about 30 or 40 years old, Tom. And Stephen writes, I've noticed a significant drop in water pressure the last 2 months. Pressure is good at the garage sink that comes right off the water heater, but my kitchen sink and upstairs showers have lost a lot of pressure. What can I do or check or look at to remedy this? He'd prefer to do it himself.
You got a couple of problems that it could be. I don't know what problem it is, but if it's at the faucets, they're corroded, they're clogged, they have debris, even as simple as taking off the aerators with your sinks and starting with that first to make sure you don't have lots of little schmutz in there and clean them out, or even buy new ones and put them on. They're only about $3 a piece. That could help you on the sinks and things. If it's old piping that's getting all corroded, that's different. Then you want to call TDT, have them come out and research it and make sure that your pipes aren't getting all corroded. But if you want to try it yourself first, take a faucet apart, put it back together with new cartridge, new aerators, get it all cleaned out, and then see if your water pressure comes back.
Fair enough. You got a question? We can help you just like that. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in,
Ding.
and we'll answer it in one of these videos.